So on week 1, we are basically doing a what is called a filet mesh, which is made up of trebles and chains. So when you have got to your, you've done your foundation and you're working on your main row, you work 2 chain and then a treble into the top of the previous treble. So you just go underneath there. So it's basically, you see like a little V shape on top. Down over, through 2 and through 2. And then work 2 chain. And exactly the same again across the whole row. As you're working this, you're holding 2 yarns together all the time. So you've always got kids' locays and a cotton cashmere. But after every either 4th or 2nd row, you are changing the cotton cashmere colour. And the kids' locays continues through all the time. And to do that, you just hold 2 of the ends and just crochet as normal. As you're coming towards the end of your row, you'll have to work into your turning chain. So at the beginning you worked 5 chain and you're now going to work into the 3rd of those 5 chain. So there's your 5 chain, and you just count across 1, 2 and into your 3rd. So you're just going in straight into that hole there, work another treble, turn, and then you work your 5 chain for the start of the row. And those 5 chain equal 1 treble going up and the 2 chain going across, and then you start going across the row again, working your trebles and 2 chain.